4 times a year I get such a fun package in the mail, and it is my FabFitFun box, and I'm here to show you their spring box that was just released. If you're new to FabFitFun, each box is $49.99, but the value inside is over $200, and you get full-size products. So full-size beauty, fashion, lifestyle, just a whole mix of things, and each month is so different, which is I think what makes it more fun to open, because you're surprised with each season. So it does come out 4 times a year. If you're new and you've never gotten a box before, you can use my code SMALLTHINGS10 to get $10 off your first box. I've partnered with FabFitFun for this video, so I will open it up now and we will see what's inside together. I haven't seen any sneak peeks or anything, so I don't know what is in here, which is gonna make it really fun to open. So I need to find some scissors, and if you see the light kind of being weird, it's because I'm huddled up next to my window because we're having sunshine for the first time in, like, I don't know, it feels like weeks. It's been cloudy. So I'm ready for spring. So this spring box is gonna get me in the mood. Okay, I got some scissors. Let's get inside. Something smells good. Now I'm gonna have to discover what that is. Okay, so typically there is some kind of paperwork in each box, and I think more often than not lately they've included this sort of magazine with info, or sort of newspaper-like article that has information about things that are in the box and more on there. So I'll set this aside for some reading later. I also don't want to see what's in there yet. I want to see it in the box. And then this first thing I'm coming to is a HelloFresh coupon for $50 off your first 2 boxes. That's a great deal. So I will put that there as well. Okay. Okay, I'm seeing this designer, Maya Brenner. She's in Los Angeles. She does those tiny little initial bracelets and necklaces. I have one that has a D and an L on it for my sons, David and Luke. And then I have one bracelet with a J, and then a number necklace from Maya Brenner. I love her designs. Oh, this is cute. So this is a bracelet, and it says love, which is perfect for kind of the Valentine's Day springtime. That's great. I love that. Fun to get something from her, someone I'm familiar with. A lot of times the contents in here are exposing me to new brands, but seeing Maya Brenner in here was cool. So cute bracelet. And then we have a lip statement palette. Okay, so this is the Ish lip statement palette. With pretty colors inside. Fun lip colors for spring. And it comes with a little brush, which is convenient for putting on lipstick like this. I like when there's lipstick in these types of containers instead of just in a bullet, because it's easier to kind of mix them together. I never want to mess up the bullets, so having a palette like this is a fun way to kind of create custom colors if you're into that sort of thing. So that's fun. Okay, this says Rachel Pally on it. Oh, that's cute. A little clutch. Isn't that cute? So it has a little tassel, and it zips up here. Oh, and it has a divider inside. That's really helpful. So then you just fold it over and you can carry it like that. I love that. I like that it has a little pattern, but it's not like in your face. You could also hold it this way if you wanted to switch it around. That's really cute. Now I'm getting to a Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. This is a lightweight oil-free moisturizer that provides shine-free hydration. That is key for me in the humid summers of North Carolina. I have dry skin, but I hate looking shiny at all. I really like the matte look to my face, but it's hard to get like the right hydrating products that don't end up looking shiny. So I'm excited to try this. This is a good skincare brand I have heard of before. Another body care or skincare product, this is body care, is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. I have heard about these, so I'm excited to try this. This is also really perfect for travel, but it's a decent size. That's really cute. This is the Crushed Macadamia and Rice Milk scent. I'm trying to still figure out what I'm smelling. I don't know if I've come to it yet. All right, I'm not sure what's in here. Ooh, I hope these are what I think they are. Oh, lip masks. I got some eye masks in the winter It was the winter box or the limited edition box, I can't remember. But it was these eye masks that you would just place under your eye for 30 minutes that were awesome. So these are lip masks, which will be fun to try. My sister is coming for a visit soon, so I always like trying these fun new mask things with her. So follow along on Insta stories if you likely want to see a picture of us with these masks on our lips. Cool. I haven't heard of this brand before either, KNC Beauty. So excited to try those. There's a handful of those there. I don't think that's what I'm smelling. No. Oh, is this a candle? This is it. I found the candle. It smells so good. What is that smell? It smells like a beach. It's called Manhattan Beach. You heard it here first, folks. Bergamot, musk, white jasmine, Brazilian softwoods, citrus, and heliotrope. Heliotrope? I'm not sure what that is, but dang. This is gonna help get through these dreary winter days. It smells delicious. All right, this is a Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. Oh, is this for nails? Yes, anti-aging nail treatment. I wear gel manicures on my nails pretty regularly. Oh, that's a nice color. But I'm trying to give them a little bit of a break. They need a breather. So this is perfect timing. Peptide-infused concealer and treatment. And it has like a little bit of iridescence to it, which is what I like to have on my nails when I'm not wearing a color. So that, ooh, I will try this possibly today. Next up is a Free People eye mask. This might be the thickest eye mask I've ever held. Oh, wow. What do you do with it? There's gotta be, it's like jelly inside. I'm gonna have to read about this in that newspaper. I wonder if you can put it like in the fridge or something. Or warm it, possibly? I don't know. Don't quote me on any of that. What's also nice I'm seeing is it has a band here so you can adjust how tight it is on your head, which you don't often find on eye masks. So that's cute. I could see that actually coming in really handy when I have a migraine. That would feel really good if I put it in the fridge. Okay, I think I'm at my last product here, which is a massage roller. I gotta say, when I first saw these in here, I thought they were dryer balls. There's a 2-month trial for Physique 57 on here. So there's bar classes on demand, it says. So I think that's just meaning you can log on and watch a bar class and participate at home. So I bet this would feel good, like rubbing out your legs or your sore muscles from bar workouts, or get you a friend or a spouse to do it on your back. That's what I think I'm gonna do later. So sadly I have reached the end, but holy moly, this was a good box. As always, these are always full of really fun things. So some products I was familiar with, like that Maya Brenner bracelet, so cute. I had heard of HelloFresh before, so that's a great coupon to get. And Murad I had heard of before, but I haven't used this product, like I said. But there's also a lot of new things to me in here. So I'm gonna go get a lighter and light that candle. Like I said at the beginning, if you're new to FabFitFun and you wanna get 10 bucks off your box, use my code, it's smallthings10. It'll also be written right below this video on YouTube, so you can find it there. And you can use that link to go over and buy it. But not only is this a fun thing to get for yourself seasonally to kind of get you ready for the season, this also makes a great gift. Like, all of the thinking is done for you. It's $49.99, and then you just ship it. So just keep that in mind if you need a gift this season. All right, I need to figure out if that eye mask can go in the fridge. Yes! Okay. You can store the cooling pouch, which is in the middle of that eye mask, in the fridge to help depuff weary eyes. I knew it. I had a feeling. So don't microwave it, but put it in the fridge.